on the art of publishing. We are deeply indebted to Marta Koch and Sonia Pemberton for reading a draft of this work. Their comments and criticisms have been enormously valuable. They helped us improve every page and saved us from innumerable errors, oversights, obscurities and stupidities. Any flaws that remain are entirely our responsibility, of course. As we hope to revise and republish this work in the future, we welcome any post-publication feedback. Writing this book has been a marathon effort. We couldn't have done it without the help of friends, colleagues and family. We've both been blessed with excellent support teams. In particular, our heartfelt thanks go to Simone Strasser and Gabrielle Tobias, our significant redheads, for the countless times they have offered us a sympathetic ear and sound advice. Although our book often dwells on the mistakes and misdeeds of stem cell science, we aren't doomsayers. Nor do we wish to discourage any budding young scientists from pursuing a career in this field of research. On the contrary, we share the common hope that stem cells will one day prove themselves effective in the treatment of a wide range of medical conditions. Unfortunately, stem cells have attracted a surfeit of hope, indeed an unhealthy excess. Hype does more harm than good and stands in the way of genuine progress. Only by deflating it can we properly appreciate both the therapeutic promise of stem cells and the scientific effort needed to fulfill it. That's the optimistic aim of our bubble-bursting enterprise. If you come away from this book disillusioned but not discouraged, then we've done our job properly. Introduction. Great Expectations. We're obsessed with science and technology, obsessed with the possibilities they bring. Each generation seems to nominate one or other innovation as its preferred gateway to the future. Through it, we channel our hopes and fears. The mid-20th century was nuclear. The power of the atom was, by turns, transforming the world for the better or threatening to destroy it. When the Cold War ended and the fear of a nuclear Armageddon subsided, we watched the rise of the computer and joined the information age. The biological side of information also captured our attention. We fell under the thrall of genetics, then biotechnology more generally. With the Human Genome Project, 1990 to 2003, deciphering our genetic code, it looked like we were learning the very language of life, and that we'd soon translate this knowledge into therapeutic wonders. Everything changed in 1999 with the death of 18-year-old Jesse Gelsinger. Jesse was one of the first people to receive gene therapy, and it killed him. Gene therapy was sunk on its maiden voyage. We were suddenly in need of a new favourite, a new kind of biotechnology. Fortunately, stem cells were at hand. Stem cells are the master builders of your body, generating all of your tissues and organs and helping to sustain them throughout the course of your life. Your body has a limited ability to repair itself after disease and injury. Some of your tissues regrow, others just scar. But whatever regenerative powers you do possess come from your stem cells. At the end of the 20th century, stem cells took hold of our imagination. We began to dream of harnessing their healing powers. Since then, we've been told time and time again that the era of regenerative medicine is upon us. Stem cells will soon cure just about every ailment under the sun. Think of a disease starting with A, AIDS, Alzheimer's, arthritis, autism, and then work your way through the alphabet. You name it, stem cells will fix it, even COVID-19. And if you need a new kidney or liver or windpipe or heart, you'll be able to grow them with stem cells. Not today perhaps, but tomorrow, or the next day, or the day after that. Salvation, it seems, is always postponed. Yet we keep on hoping. Each disappointment gives us a fresh